G'day guys, Alex Ryan here, and a common question we get is how do you ship to the Amazon FBA warehouse, alright? So if you're looking to start your own Amazon FBA business, and maybe you're in Australia, maybe you're overseas, and you're looking to ship your products to the Amazon FBA warehouse, it's a common question we get asked, how do you go about doing it? And the answer is actually not behind me, right? This is expensive. It's a very expensive mode of transport. It gets cheaper, especially if you have thousands and thousands of units and you're actually shipping thousands of units in these containers. That makes a lot of sense, all right? It actually does get cheaper, but majority of sellers selling on Amazon, they're just starting out like yourself, right? And you're not too sure whether or not the product that you're getting involved with is actually going to be a good product. So you have to test the market. So you don't want to be doing thousands of units. You want to be putting thousands of units in the Amazon FBA area. You actually want to be putting 50 units or 100 units, or maybe 150 or 200 units maximum, right? You want to make sure that the products actually sell, and then go gangbusters. Start doing, these containers. Start investing money in these containers, all right? But until then, don't do it, all right? Make sure that the product that you invest in is actually going to be profitable, is actually going to sell. And there is ways to do that. Most Amazon sellers, unfortunately, they wing it. They have no clue what they're doing, and they basically play Russian roulette with their money and their business, all right? You do not want to be doing that. Get the right advice, guys. We've got a free course below here. You can access our free course. It's one of our Amazon seller courses. It's been downloaded about 18,400 times, more than that, all right? That was actually about 6 months ago. We've been downloaded about 18,000 times. Check it out, guys, because it's a great course. It goes through all the steps to finding products, all the way to shipping your products to Amazon FBA, all the way to selling and leveraging the Amazon marketplace for your products. So check it out, guys. My name's Alex Ryan, and check out some of our seminars. We do them on Gold Coast, we do them in Sydney, we do them in other parts of Australia as well. But I've been involved in import-export now for about 10 years, and I used to do this sort of stuff. Amazon does not require this sort of stuff. You can get started on your first product for less than $1,000. Seriously, guys, less than $1,000, you could be started on your Amazon product. So enjoy the rest of your day. If you have questions, comment below or connect with our team member. Give us a call, 02-8003-7534. That's our phone number. We're based in Sydney, 02-8003-7534. My name's Alex Ryan. Have an awesome day. I wish you the best on your Amazon journey. Bye-bye for now.